Okay, guys, so when we're looking at this particular triangle, even though it is isosceles, that's not actually something you need to know to solve this. Okay, the most important thing that I noticed is that when the isosceles triangle is cut down the middle with that dotted line, it creates two smaller triangles. And you can see here that we have a right angle, which is 90 degrees. That helps us a lot as well. So the first thing you need to know is that we have a linear pair right here. Okay, so a linear pair is supplementary, meaning that they add up to 180. So 180 minus 110 means that this angle is 70 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to label that 70. And we know that right angles are 90 degrees. So instead of looking at the entire triangle, just focus on this right triangle. Okay, we have a right triangle that you can focus on specifically. Don't focus on the entire triangle. And we know that the three angles in a triangle add up to 180. So to get angle Y, all you need to do from here is know that the three angles inside of that yellow triangle there should add up to 180 degrees. Okay, good luck.